Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so today's bars we have Abena Korkor exposes Giovani Caleb for chopping hair in a latest video. Yeah, so Abena Korkor, a former student of the University of Cape Coast, now a worker at TV3, has blasted her colleague Giovani Caleb for lying about having intimacy with her. So weeks after Giovani Caleb's interview with Delay on the Delay Show, Abena Korkor has taken to social media to call out Giovanni for not being truthful. She also indicated that although she has had some kind of psychological issues in the past, Giovanni should not take advantage of that to lie on national television. According to her, Giovani Caleb has lied because he indeed slept with her, so he should man up and accept it. In a video that has since gone viral on social media, Abena Korkor made several revelations on her affair with Giovanni. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below.
Speaking up last week, we spoke about domestic violence, emotional abuse and all that, and I was saying people should speak up, talking boldly on TV. Speak up, speak up, speak up. And I have my own issues, and like I've zipped up my mouth. Protecting who, for what? Zipping up for what? I wonder. So Giovani Caleb is a colleague. We all work at Media Journal. And I see some of you saying, why don't I address it with him at work? It wasn't a discussion in a makeup room. A whole interview with Delay. Global, like everybody's gonna watch it, people in the diaspora, everything. And he goes like, I lied. And then he said it so nicely, she's my friend, and you know, I supported her in her campaign and all that. Yes, you did, but even that one, it was like a work you had to do. I came to Star FM, and the show I was given, you were the host. You have to pay your bills, so whether you liked it or not, you still had to do it. And I came to do an interview to promote bipolar awareness. So if I had any issue with you, I really don't have any issue with you. It's unfortunate that I'm very vocal about my sexual escapades. Even when I don't put it on social media during my relapse, all my close friends know that I talk about how great sex was for me or not so great. That is who I am. You see, I enjoy talking about sex, researching on sex and all those things. Some people say it's bad, so sometimes I work on it, or I'm working on it to tone it down, quote unquote, so that you can be in a stable relationship and finally get married. You can be your own self. So I don't know why, Giovanni, you go and sit there and lie. You could have just said no comments, because that's what I do anytime people ask me about anybody that was on the list. You know, just no comment, because I don't know why I should lie for you, or which it wasn't something I was even supposed to talk about, but I did have a relapse and I spoke about it, and there was no lie about it. But you know, there are so many strings attached, so sometimes but I don't understand why you would sit on TV and be confident enough to lie. And because maybe you think I'm a mute, or I'm not a confident woman, or I don't know, if you ask somebody to, we didn't even talk about this, and you just go and say that about me, and people keep on saying, oh, she's always making up stories when she's having a relapse. She's mentally unstable, so whenever she says something, don't take her serious. I think before I do this video, like, I texturized my hair, so it was like all over the place. I had to go and brush it up so that I look kept before I make this video, so nobody would think, oh, she's having a relapse. I'm just emotionally drained. Like, why he would say that. And then there are other underlying issues of girls that are coming to me, asking me, telling me about stuff they are going through, and I would advise them, and I can't advise my own self. I can't take my own advice. That is very sad. Mothers, ladies, advising your daughters, asking them to speak up. I hope you do speak up when it gets to your turn. When that person in power, that person that you really respect, says something negative about you or does something unfair to you, I hope you'll be able to speak up.